In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user from QuickBooks Online. Managing your team's access in QuickBooks Online is an essential part of keeping your business data secure and organized. Sometimes, you may need to remove a user who no longer requires access to your QuickBooks account. Whether it's for someone who has left your organization or a role change that no longer needs permissions, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your QuickBooks interface. Here, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Manage Users. This section allows you to view, edit, and manage all user accounts associated with your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in the Manage Users section, you'll see a list of all the users who currently have access to the account. Scroll through the list to locate the specific user you want to delete. Next to the user's name, you'll notice a small caret icon. It looks like a tiny arrow. Click on this icon and a new drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Delete. This will begin the process of removing the user from your account. Before the deletion is finalized, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your action. This is an important step to ensure that no one is accidentally removed. Once you confirm, the user's access will be permanently removed from your QuickBooks account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a user from QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.